Imagine getting paid to sit at home, use your laptop or smartphone, and help brands by simply replying to messages, managing online communities, and supporting customers from anywhere in the world. Like, this opportunity is available worldwide, whether you're in Africa or other countries, is available worldwide. The interesting part is that you don't need to own a business, create a product, or even have years of experience. Some remote platforms are looking for people who can communicate well, solve simple customer problems, and keep online communities active. That's just what they are looking for. And for those of us in Africa, finding genuine remote jobs that actually accept international workers can be very challenging. And that is why in this video, I'm showing you a platform where you can find remote opportunities like chat support, social media moderation, and community management roles that you can do from home. Yes, from the comfort of your home. I'll walk you through how the platform works, the type of jobs available, how to create an account, and what you need to increase your chances of getting accepted into this platform. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll show you the exact steps to apply. Hello, welcome to the Creative Students YouTube channel. I help beginners use AI to solve real problems, create content, find opportunities, and make money online. So if this sounds good to you, please click on the subscribe button and join the family for more amazing tutorials like this. Let's get started. So guys, I'll be leaving the link to this site in the description of this video. So once you type, this is what you, if you don't want to use the link, you can just type on your browser ModSquad.com, sign up. Okay, then this first option here that said join ModSquad.com, become a mod. Okay, you tap on that. So this site, they said become a mod. This interface will open. Become a mod, work remotely, set your own hours, and represent some of the best brands in the world. We could use someone like you in our crew. So you are representing the brand. You get paid for representing the brand by like replying to their text messaging, moderating a group and all that. So let's scroll down. Let me show you this reasons you will love being a mod. You work remotely. As long as your work space is quiet, secure, and noiseless, it work for us. So you have to take this anytime you want to work with them. They require a private, secure, and noiseless environment so that you concentrate on your work. They said pick your own project. Okay, you choose what you want to work based on your own interest, passion, and knowledge. So they have varieties of work for you to choose from based on your own knowledge. So it doesn't require that you must be coding, you must be doing this, you must be an expert before you can work with them. No. Then this next, they say set your own schedule. You pick the times that work best for you and the amount of time you want to work. Guys, this is super amazing. They are not requiring you must work 8 hours a day. You work according to your own schedule. Keep your day job like this will actually help you to keep your day job because you can decide to, like, when I come back from work, I can work just 2 or 3 hours or 4 hours before I go to bed. So this is super amazing. Then they say work with amazing companies like top coolest brands in the world. Then so let me scroll down, look at a glance. So these are their services, customer support, content moderation, trust and safety, community management, just as I told you, social media. So you get paid for doing all these tasks, like to manage a community, send messages, reply texts, and all that. Then they have their platforms here: work type, independent contractor, location, fully remote. Okay, then it works in 90 plus country, 50 plus languages. Africans are also accepted in this particular workforce. Okay, so your schedule, you choose any time that is available for you. You can work part-time or full-time, is your choice. Then let's look at the pay. Yes, you get paid hourly, project based, varies by skills, experience and languages. So guys, this is very good site for you to explore. So let's go to how it works. The step one is to apply, step two, get accepted, step three, complete onboarding, and then you pick a project. So let's go to, when you scroll down, there are some frequently asked questions. Maybe you read through for your own understanding later. So let us go to this place that say apply today. So we click on that. So when we click on apply today, this interface will pop up. As you can see, there are lots of jobs available on this site. Just me that, like, look at it now. I just click on join and you see 22 jobs found. These jobs are available. Okay, so let me click on here, click on these three lines. Then when you want to sign up to this site, okay, you just click on sign in. So this interface will appear. Then you can sign in with your LinkedIn, you can sign it with your Google. So let me click on sign in with Google. Okay, so after I've clicked on sign in with Google, I'm going to choose a Google account I want to sign in with. Click on continue. So here we are. So let me say you're looking for customer support work or community, you want to manage a community. Okay, community management, that's the kind of job you are looking for. Okay, so these are the jobs that, look at them here, 20 jobs found in that category, if that is what you actually want to do. Okay, then here too you can refine your search. Like, you want to filter your search, you can click on the location, like locations you would love to, you can filter by location. Then if you want part-time or full-time jobs, you can also filter that. Then the job category, you can also filter that. Job type, is it a management consultant or contractors work you want? Like, you can filter your search. Okay, so once you find any job that fits you, like what you are able to do, you tap on the job and it's going to take you to this interface. Okay, for example, this particular opportunity now is community management consultant, so that is what you're doing. So this one now is available for Nigerian, India, Jamaica, the Philippines, like African countries are also accepted. So that are the locations that this job is actually, they're actually looking for remote workers from Nigeria, India, Jamaica and the Philippines. So this is actually a part-time job. Then they said we could use someone like you in our crew. So language is English speaker, availability 10 hours per week. So when you open the site, make sure you read through the overview. Okay, what you do, like you have to read through it, what we are looking for. Okay, and if your CV is not tailored towards this, you can just copy this and go to ChatGTP, copy this their requirement. Now go to ChatGTP and tell Chat or Claude, just use Claude AI, just tell it to channel your CV to these requirements now, like what you'll be doing and what they're actually looking for. Just tailor your CV to their requirements here. Okay, so once you click on apply, then this interface will come up that says start your application. Okay, so you can either autofill with your resume, apply manually, use my last application. If you have applied before on this site, then you can actually use your last application to apply. You don't have to like start afresh every time you want to apply for another job that is in the same category. So you can apply manually or autofill with your resume. So this is basically it. And once you apply, they are going to reach you through an email. That email that you filled when you were applying, they are going to reach you and you start communicating with them from there. And from there, you are going to discuss on your payments, like your rate. Okay, and once they are fine with it, like this guy are paying people money for just moderating chats and all that, guys, this site is a must try. So once you do that, they are going to reach out to you, and when you get accepted, they will start you start work. They will give you projects to work on, and once you're done, you get paid for it. Like, this site has been in, and you can do your own research about it. This is actually a legitimate site. It's a company that is paying people to perform tasks, remote job opportunities. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, please drop it in the comments. I always reply to my comments, so please drop it in the comments and I'll be very glad to help. Okay, thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye for now.